Hi, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you to replace the ice chute gasket on the Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. The first thing that we'll need to do is open up the left door. To remove the gasket, grab one of the corners and gently stretch it back, and then pull it out of the groove to remove it. If you have a bad ice chute gasket and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure that you get the correct part. When reinstalling the gasket, you'll want to make sure that you have the orientation correct. You want to make sure that the narrow side is on the right. Gently lift up on the inside of the ice chute cap, then insert the gasket underneath one of the corners. You'll need to stretch some of the corners of the gasket, then slowly work your way around until all parts of the gasket are sealed. Doing this can be tricky. It's kind of like putting on a fitted bed sheet. With the ice chute gasket reinstalled, we can close the left door, then open the right door and peek in to make sure that it's sealing properly. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.